Thermotech is proud to introduce the world's first truly continuous full absorption rice cooking system, Hydrotherm. This new process in hydrating grain products is a unique invention for which patents are pending in the USA and China, with plans to extend patents to most other countries around the world. This system turns raw rice, dry rice, into fully hydrated, perfectly cooked rice. Raw rice is metered into one end of the cooker, and perfectly cooked rice is continuously discharged out the other end. Historically, commercially cooked rice has been hydrated in large covered pots in batches. Even continuous cooking systems on the market today are designed around a multitude of small cooking pots that move through an oven in an assembly line fashion. The complexity and cost of these pot-based systems is enormous. The Hydrotherm system, on the other hand, is simple and economical. When cooking in pots, the rice kernels at the top of the batch have less than optimum moisture content, whereas the kernels at the bottom of the batch contain too much moisture. This is because the kernels at the bottom are continuously bathed in water during the entire cooking cycle, while early in the cook cycle, the rice kernels at the top are raised out of the cook water by the expansion of the rice below, leaving them where there is no more water to absorb. Only the kernels in the center of the batch have the optimum moisture content. The Hydrotherm process overcomes this problem. At the inlet of the Hydrotherm cooker, the raw rice is heated by direct steam to approximately 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 94 degrees centigrade. Then, as the rice is conveyed forward, hot water at 200 degrees Fahrenheit is misted onto the rice at exactly the rate that the rice kernels can absorb the water. This unique process uses the surface tensions of water to maintain moisture around each kernel during hydration. As the water percolates down through the rice, surface tension causes a percentage of the water to collect around each kernel, providing the moisture for proper hydration at all levels. During this hydration process, the rice is gently mixed by stainless steel spokes welded to two intermeshing agitators. These agitators automatically reverse the direction of rotation at pre-programmed intervals to distribute the rice for even hydration. Direct steam is injected up through the bed of rice as it is conveyed, keeping it at the proper hydration temperature the full length of the cooker. Since the cooker vessel is covered, the entire chamber above the rice is filled with steam, exactly as it is in a covered batch cooking pot, evenly steaming the rice as it is continuously conveyed forward. The raw rice is metered into the cooking chamber by a gravimetric feeder, controlled by the cooker PLC. The cooker PLC also controls the hot water, misting it onto the rice at precisely the right point in the cooking process to assure optimum hydration. Flavored pilaf rice, shown here, is processed with a unique recipe sequence. The flavored liquid infusion is sautéed in the conventional manner, but then the raw rice, including the turmeric, is mixed with the flavored liquid. This mixture is then metered into the Hydrotherm exactly as one would the raw rice. Perfectly hydrated pilaf rice, evenly colored with turmeric, is continuously discharged. The PLC control system is the heart of the Hydrotherm. Each type of rice requires a different moisture percentage, and each market demands a different finished rice texture. Hydrotherm can accommodate these product and market variations. Whether you are cooking short-grained sticky rice or long-grained rice, jasmine or basmati rice, flavored pilaf or wild rice, the quality of the rice can be optimized. Asian short-grained sticky rice, being hydrated here, is cooked perfectly, continuously, without balling up in the agitator system. When the precise parameters are determined, the recipe program can be saved and then recalled later the next time the operator needs to produce that particular product. All the operator has to do is load the rice in the feeder hopper, recall the saved recipe, push the start button, and continuously take the perfectly cooked rice away for packaging. Continuous production of rice cooking is the wave of the future. Hydrotherm transforms the ancient batch cooking procedure into a unique, modern, continuous process. Blendtec is again at the cutting edge of food production innovation.